Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. This is MD Abdul Mannan and this is my YouTube channel Mannan School. So you are most welcome to my channel. This is the important rules and regulations of Islam or English grammatical topics. So if you just want to learn these rules and regulations, at first you have to practice and you have to read more and more so that you can memorize these rules and you can learn these rules. And what type of rules just I would like to share with you. This is the relative clause or relative sentence, and this relative sentence is the most important for the students, not only students but also every learner actually who wanna learn to English and who wanna learn to English for practicing and to get a good result and to make just a good function with English language and with English skills. So I think that it's better for you. So just I would like to share these important rules with you so that every student can learn these rules very easily and they can participate in the any English competitive exams. So this is the relative word. This is the relative word just who and who is. So what type of word just I want to share. This is the use of relative who and who is. Relative, these two type of words are most important, who and who is. In my previous class just I shared and I discussed about these two words, who and who is, and I just told to you that this type of word are very useful and necessary when just we participate any competitive exam. So here I wanna discuss who and who is. This is the just separate rules and this is the exceptional rules, and this is actually not the regular rules. So you have to memorize it and just you have to remember it so that you can practice in your daily life and just in your exam. So here just you are watching that here I have written two rules and two sentences. Two rules, just first one is collective noun equal first person equal who and equal PV. PV means PV equal plural verb, and here just you are watching SV equal singular verb. So at first you have to memorize these rules. Collective noun equal person equal who and equal PV. This is the tricks of relative word and relative clause. So if you follow just when just this is the example. First one, he joined the class who were working, and the second one is collective noun equal group equal single body and equal who is and equal SB, and this is the second example is he joined the class who is was working. So this is the different. This is the different one. Here who were and here just you are watching who is was. Who is and just it takes singular verb, just singular verb, and a who. So who just has taken plural verb PV, and here SV singular verb. So here plural verb and here singular verb. So what is the main theme and what is the rules of these two sentence and of these two rules? Collective noun, if any collective noun just refers person and then they will take or it will take just plural verb, and just relative word who will set up here. So if any here the class is definitely collective noun. So when any collective noun just refers or mentions, this is the person, mention any person, then just we will use who replace of which, and just it will take the plural verb, that means where. And if any collective noun just mentions the class, mentions a group, that means any group, single body, just we have to set up which replace of just collective noun, or here replace of collective noun who, and it will take the singular verb, that means singular verb was. That means you have to remember that two sentences are correct, that means both are correct. So when just you will participate in exam and just you will see this type of sentence, then you feel any hesitations and just which one is correct, that means the option of the answer may be both are correct, one is correct. So you have to find out which type of answer is correct, that means both are correct, that means A, B. So both A and B. So there is no hesitations. At first you have to know, and if you want to know that, at first you have to memorize and then you have to remember. So my suggest to you that if you want to memorize and if you want to remember this type of rules, at first you have to memorize very easily and just you have to practice daily so that you can memorize it. And this is the tricks of English grammar. And every competitive exam, that means university admission test, any BCS job test, and any test of exam, any test of competitions job. So at first we have to memorize this type of rules, and then you have to remember and you have to practice so that we can solve these tricks and just tricky questions. So this is my last about relative word who and which. So there is no regulations and there is no important rules, just of who and which. So this is the finish rules and regulation of who and which. So if you practice this type of rules, these types of word, and then I think that you will be very perfect to, and you will be able to read and write about these types of rules and these types of sentence, and you can use it every type of situations and just speaking and just writing. So just remember it. This is the use of relative word, just who and which. So when just you will set who, and when just where you will set which. So this is the same sentence. He joined the class who are working, and he joined the class which was working. So this is the same sentence, but two category. When you will set just who, and just when you will set the which. So at first you have to memorize. So if you just want to more information about these types of tricky questions, please subscribe my channel and like, comments my channel, and just pray for me so that I can share an important rules to you. Just I end here. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.